everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I show you something special. This is our car. I washed every pieces and this I put it in the peroxide of hydrogen to get white. All the metal parts with different cleaning methods, and this is it. Now we have to build this big mess. But to do this, we have, fortunately, instructions. Original, damage, instructions. The work starts, and every single piece I have to mount, I will look at it and will adjust if everything has to be fixed. So at the end, we will have perfect vintage car. Let's start. Comment, like, subscribe, be nice, spread the voice, tell your friends, and so on. I'm burnishing pieces, the two joints and all the Allen screws. When you use this exit, muriatic, always wear gloves and glasses. Never touch this exit with your hands and don't drink it. When you put exit here inside, it makes it boils, and you can see it's still making bubbles. It's 5 minutes that it is working, and this make a smoke. Please don't inspire that smoke. Stay away with eyes and nose and mouth. Let it work for 5, 6, 7 minutes until you don't see any more little bubble coming out. While I'm making this, we can make also this with peroxide of hydrogen, 130 volumes, very, very strong. Also here, gloves, glasses. This is less dangerous than this, but for the skin, it coats very well the skin. I made rims before, and now all the other parts, also the transparent one, we leave it here until I need them back, not for days. Besides, I'm making this, the electric parts, changing the engine wires, fixing these wires, cleaning everything. These works are to prepare the happy assembling moment, and it will come soon. Concentrate on this. Very, very little bubbles, but it's ready. Okay. Oops. Look at the color. Water. And now the burnisher. Okay. This takes, it depends from the pieces, how many do they are, but about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. You have to check, because if you leave too much, it becomes black but a little bit dusty. So we can leave it here and return in a couple of minutes and see how does it works. After 10 minutes we can check. Yes, it came in black, but it's not sufficient. A screw. Maybe this liquid is a little bit old, so it requires more time. It's not very black. Yes, it's quite nice, but you see the color of the liquid is changed. Maybe this takes a little bit longer. All the pieces are black, but it's not finished. They have to dry, and then I have to treat them with... Wait a minute, I'm arriving! This, have you already seen this? This is a multi-purpose fantastic magic thing. While I was waiting this to become black, I began to look at the lights, and they were in very poor condition. So I found some new stickers, as I have my stickers, not the replicas. Then I finished to work with the peroxide of hydrogen. I'm quite satisfied, and this is the result about this. Quite nice. The problem is that these are painted first in red, then in black. And now I don't want to paint a third layer on this. So they told me that with this olio freni, it means olio is oil, freni means brakes. This oil takes away the varnish. Let's do a trial. Wow, there's a lot. Okay, it works. All the other. This has the sticker inside. And good night. And after a night in the brake fluid, this is the result. Now I have just to clean up a little bit. And the good news is that sticker has not suffered. Look, 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 it's very easy. Fantastic! Very happy. It's dead man's skin. I was wrong. On stickers, this is what happened. Until I haven't touched it, it was perfect. As I touch it, so my friends, be careful to stickers. Also, this is an experience. Fortunately, I have saved other. They are not in perfect condition, but we can work on. Now, wash carefully all the oil, then mask and spray. All washed, all scraped, all glued. They are ready to this. One of the greatest problems we have is to clean parts when you have applied a double-sided adhesive. Not the black one, because it's very easy to clean, but the white one. There's a way that makes this very simple. Put some drops of petrol on the adhesive, then you leave for a night, the night long, or equivalent amount of hours. Then with a blade it's very easy to clean. It comes, look at this. And if you insist a little bit, you can clean as when it was new. And the work on the front lamps is finished. I applied stickers, new stickers, except on this, that is the old one. I had just 3, and this is quite little damage, but this is nice because it's the sign of the time. And you see this paper, these were the supports of the stickers, and when you apply them, you have to cut a little portion, then apply, check the right position, then take away the other one. Now, tires. The only thing I have to do on the pilot is the steering wheel. It's too thin. So I have to change this one that is not a Tamiya original, but it's something made from the previous owner, and I don't know why, perhaps he's lost the original wheel. And I will change this with this. This is gummy. I enlarge a little bit the hole, and then I put inside, cleaning well, so it becomes black. But this seems a real steering wheel. The pilot is done. A couple of decals on the helmet just to make it happier, and a right size steering wheel. One, two, three, and four. It's very hot, but very easy. And this is the last one of the first tire. Now this is my standard way. I have to do all the other, let them dry, then with a tissue and a little bit of petrol, clean carefully for the little mistakes I have made, and then our tires will be nice, just by one side, the external. Perfect. Feeding tires. This time I would like to try this product. It's very good, already used for cars, motorcycles and so on, and on models too. But I never used on tires, stupidly, because this is made exactly for plastics, gummy and so on. Before I used to put this, that is transparent silicone grease. It works very well, but it is too slippery. Perhaps this one fits, but it's not. I would like to try. Let's see how does it work. A little bit on the toothbrush. The thing is that the black part of the gummy can go over the writings, so... Quick passage. Whoops. Okay, come on, I will show you. And this is the last thing we have to do for today in this video. If you are bored to see so many detailed procedure, please let me know in the comment, as I think that, yes, it's not a fashion video, this one. This is a technical video to learn something. Okay. Then it will be absorbed by gummy or the other. In the meanwhile, I had an idea. Why not try peroxide of hydrogen with the yellow parts of this fiberglass frame? I never used. Let's see if it works, if it makes something. I want it to return like in this position. This is nice green. This is oxidated, it's yellow. Just wait. Also the body is made. Fix it a little bit the mesh, because here was broken, was gray, not black, painted. Then the pilot is in with a new steering wheel, these two lamps, and the body is not in so very good conditions. You can see there are something that is not perfect, but it's old. And okay, my dear friends, with this wonderful picture for today, it's enough. Perhaps also you say it's enough. And I hope you have found something interesting, something useful for you. I gave you a bunch of informations about my way to do things. If you have something better to say, please tell me. I'm always happy to learn something new. And now we have this and a lot of other pieces ready to be reused. Next step, in the next video, I would like to fix all the electric things. The engine, the speed controller, I would like to use the vintage speed controller. And I'm just a little bit worried about the engine because it's not so powerful. But perhaps it's better, it's an old car, I don't want to crash it. So, comment, like and subscribe. I wish you all the best. Up to the next. Ciao!